Hello and welcome to Mr. Saeed Rahmati's channel. In this instructional series, Mr. Rahmati will demonstrate to you that learning design and painting is very simple and achievable for everyone. Join Mr. Rahmati and enjoy the pleasure of design and painting explained in simple terms. In the previous lessons, you became familiar with exercises that can enhance your hand skills. In this lesson, we want to introduce you to a professional and hypothetical tool, a pair of glasses. With these hypothetical glasses, we aim to teach you how a professional painter or designer views things. The way a designer or painter sees things differs from how ordinary people do. A designer should be able to see simple geometric shapes within the subject. That means being able to mentally transform any subject into simple geometric shapes. Don't worry, this is a straightforward task and you just need to do it approximately. As a first step, it's better to use printed images on paper or pictures from magazines and newspapers. You can even use images from your computer or the internet and view them on your monitor. Carefully look at the picture. Try to mentally convert the picture into simple geometric shapes. There's no need to draw the geometric shapes, simply visualize them in your mind. All professional designers and painters see subjects and shapes in this manner. Try to look for simple geometric shapes like squares, rectangles, triangles, and circles. However, squares and rectangles are more important than other shapes, and you can use squares and rectangles by disregarding the details of the subject. Remember this as a crucial point. Finding a square within the subject is like finding a pearl in a shell. So try to discover the squares within the subject because they are very important. In the next lessons, when I teach you about proportion, you will remember the importance of this point. Emphasize identifying geometric shapes from the whole to the part. So, it's better to initially imagine the whole shape as a geometric shape like a rectangle and then move on to identifying the geometric shapes within the subject. After using printed photos and internet images, you can practice this exercise with objects and subjects around you. If you look around, it's full of various subjects and objects. Despite its seemingly simple appearance, this exercise is incredibly important and a prerequisite for enhancing your visual skills in design. This exercise turns your eyes into those of a professional designer and painter. As you see more professional teachings, you'll realize more and more the significance of this lesson. So take this exercise seriously and always keep this new perspective in mind. Remember, all professional designers and painters use such hypothetical glasses. In the upcoming lessons, you will become familiar with the concept of negative space and proportion, which are based on what you learned today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new lessons. Finally, I want to express my gratitude for your support through likes and beautiful comments. Thank you very much.